those who don't know me, I'm at the park because I have a lab to complete for one of my classes, and it requires me to go. Wow, the sun is sunning. It requires me to go to the park. The park closes at 5, but it's 5:30. So I'm thinking like, I'm gonna just go anyways. Okay, so she wants me to take pictures of like the wildlife, so and like the trees and stuff. So I'm taking a picture. Yeah, I'm looking for the front. I'm looking for the sign. I mean, the sign is up front, so maybe I should wait to go. I should have did that when I first got here, right? But I'm gonna take a picture in front of this one. It's 80 degrees for the first time in forever, and I'm like, oh, where's the flowers? Where's the babe? It's still winter. I was a bit delusional. God damn, mosquitoes out already. I mean, I'm not complaining. I'm grateful that I'm in a position to have an education, but this shit is stupid. This assignment would have been better if it was like winter time, but if it was summertime, but I'm supposed to be observing the looks of the trees and the bushes, but it all looks dead. It looks the same. I'm supposed to look at how humans have impacted this space. I'm supposed to look at how it's just so pretty. Let's go. Let's get out of Lulu. Questions to follow the signs of animal habitation. Dens, nest, animal tracks, burrows, or dens. Food gatherings, activities in the site, cracked nuts, acorns, walnuts, hidden pows, browse lines from deer, feathers, bones, or body parts left by predators. I don't think I'm gonna find that in this type of park because don't they take care of every stuff like that? Or if that is the case, it's been too cold for it to withstand, like stay out long. I don't see none of that. I'm irritated. I didn't realize how much I was walking. Like, girl, I gotta walk that whole way back. Like, what? This is an insane view. Let's take a look down there. I feel like down here I'll be able to, but I think they blocked it off. They did. You used to be able to walk right here, but they blocked it off. I mean, come on, let's go. Okay, you see some shells. Love y'all see that. I'm scared. What if a snake just like pop up? I'm really scared of snakes. Okay, I'm scared. I'm scared. I'm that friend that you have to monitor at all times because who knows what I'm gonna get into. We're going to the Pumpkin Ash Trail. Okay, I thought I was on this trail alone, but I hear kids. That's a good thing. If anybody wants to be my cameraman, please. Y'all see how fat my butt is? Ow. Watch out now. Watch out. Okay. Okay, So I don't know if y'all can tell, but the rest of the trail girl, I can't even go downs. Girl, let's walk back to the car. I can't even speak, goddamn it. The trail continues down that way. We ain't doing that. I'm getting a little hungry. What's the spider web? You ain't about to get me. I feel like if this supposed to be a vlogging camera, how does it not hold battery? What's that about? But I'm gonna talk to y'all when I get back to the car. I'm gonna lock in and speed walk my ass back. And plus my camera, like I said, is on 9%, so I gotta go. Okay, y'all, 3%, but I gotta take a picture in front of let's see. You can't even see the sign. Let's go. Let's go. I had a Slurpee on the way here. I kind of want another one. Is that fat?